Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about accessing nested arrays. So we looked at nested objects before, and now we're going to look at how nested arrays combined with nested objects looks like and how to access them. So we have this example here where it is an object, and then is an array and then an object, and then we have another array inside of this and such. So for this one, we're looking at our pets, okay, index of 0, which is this, dot names, which is here, and then the first index, which will be Fluffy. And then the second one, our pets, okay, index of 1, here, names, here, index of 0, we get Spot. So for this exercise, it wants us to use using dot and bracket notation, set the variable second tree, okay, we have a variable here, to the second item in the trees list from the plants object. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And first we see it's my plants, so the second item from the trees list. So this will be 0, 1, 2. So we want this. So this is an array, so it's going to be the first index. So index of 1 dot, okay, we're here, and then we do dot list, and now is an array, so we need the second one, or the first one here, because it's the first and then second, but the first index, I mean. So that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.